Okay, we got a pretty interesting street right here. There's a Buddhist temple that we're going to be going to, and so we're going to go through that at the end. But this is where we're going to be starting at. There's also the P residence up there, or our residence. It's all these glassy kind of windows. But anyways, this is what we're going to be doing. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so let's go check this all out. It's kind of interesting. This thing has like a little bit of a temple stuff right there, and actually some of the tiles kind of have that feature too. And then this right here is the Cape Verde Embassy, Consulado. Cape Verde. So that's a Portuguese-speaking country off the coast of Africa. Yeah, I like these. These are beautiful homes in here. Kind of quiet street too. Your barking dog. And yeah, we're gonna walk. There's a couple restaurants down at the end. Security cameras. It does feel quiet, doesn't it? But I think the residents kind of want this to be quiet anyways. I don't think they want a bunch of through traffic and... Yeah, look at those houses. It's beautiful, right? So imagine, I don't know if like one family is in one or a couple families are in one. I have no idea. I think a long time ago there used to be bigger families that would share. So you'd have extended families, right? Yeah, those like, and that one has a beautiful Thai temple right there too. They're really nice. This one has a little bit of Chinese. Parking garage. Yeah, these are nice buildings. Yeah, actually these parking garages look like they take, some of those look like they take a number of cars. Belo Horizonte, named after the city in Brazil. This is Honolulu Cafe. So you got some residential stuff in here too. Or I mean, nice pink building right there, green and pink. So you got the Honolulu Cafe. Classico. So that's the first restaurant we've came across. I think we're gonna have another one in a second here. Let's see what this one is. Zen. So it looks like this one is Zen. Another one. So we go down just a little bit further. Yeah, this is nice. That's our temple right there. So this is a private, but we're gonna go around to that temple that you can see through that. That's our kind of cool looking street. Might be my thumbnail right there. And then we're gonna be going towards the temple momentarily. You can see part of it up there. Yeah, the temple is nice, actually. Real nice. Is it open? Oh no. It might be closed. Or this is the entrance over here, right up here. Could be the case too. Oh no. Looks like it's closed. Oh, that's too bad. There's our street sign. Yep, looks like it's closed. Oh well. Yeah, I was hoping we could just walk through there and then you go down to another street down below a little bit, which is basically what I wanted to do, but can't quite do that. Oh well. We'll just, you can also go up that way and get some nice views too of the city. And that's where we're coming from right there. Tira is up there. I'm gonna keep on walking down. Got a gas station there. Yeah, that's too bad. Anyways, we are coming up on a bigger street up here in a minute, and I think we're gonna have some access to a hotel, and you can see some of that in a minute. We're just gonna be over on the other side of this. So we'll just kind of see what's over here. So I think in a minute you'll be able to see it to the left. There's El Theater Hotel right there. And we got all this kind of stuff, gas station, Caltex. We're gonna be ending this video in a minute, but there's gas station right there as well. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is all one big construction. This is where they store stuff. That's the Buddhist temple right there. So that's the one that we were trying to go to, that temple. So now I have to walk all the way around instead. Oh well. And then to the right is going to be the backside of this one hotel. You got like a Chinese garden there too. Well, anyways, yeah, the Regency Art Hotel. So this is the backside of the Regency Art Hotel, which has a nice garden. I think it's only accessible to visitors. It's too bad it wasn't open to the public. It looks like it's not taken care of too well. Overgrown grass, rocks are kind of out of formation, lots of dead leaves everywhere. I think actually this hotel isn't active at the moment either, so there's something something different about it anyways. But yeah, it would have been quite nice at the time. And now we're up on a major road, so so I believe this road's going to end in a minute, and we'll conclude this in a, yeah, that's the end of our road right here, Estrada Lou Lim Ieok. There's a Regency Hotel. And yeah, this one kind of follows. There's Grand Taipa, so there's the mountain. So there's different ways to access that. That's Grand Lisboa, Macau Tower over there. So now we're kind of on this view where we can see part of the Macau side. And you got the Regency Art Hotel right over here as well. So they used to be able to sit, they have like a little bar / restaurant there, but I think it's not operational for whatever reason. Flamingo. And there's the El Theater Hotel right there. So yeah, I think that's going to be the end of our video. So yeah, that was basically our video. We basically just came off down that way. We came down the hill a little bit. Grand Taipa, we're kind of on a ridge up there, and now we're kind of on this major road right here. And we're just going to end it right here.